OET grammar tip, relative clauses. Hi OET learners! Want to make your writing sound smooth and professional? Let's use relative clauses to connect your ideas clearly. A relative clause gives extra information about a noun using who, which, or that, and helps your letters sound more natural. Examples: 1. I am writing to refer Mr. Y, who is due to be discharged today. 2. Mrs. Smith, who has diabetes, requires follow-up. 3. The patient who attended last week reported improvement. There are two kinds. Defining clauses give essential info, no commas. Non-defining clauses add extra info, use commas. Examples: defining: the patient who fell yesterday was treated. Non-defining: Mrs. Green, who fell yesterday, was treated. Remember, use who for people, which for things, and that for defining clauses only. Don't mix them up. Relative clauses make your letters concise and professional. Choose who, which, or that wisely, and connect your ideas like a pro.